Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Autodesk Construction Cloud Management. So here, the very first thing that we should do is we have to log in to our Autodesk account or just have to buy their products. So I just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Autodesk. Okay, so right here, just type out Autodesk, and then you'd be able to see this first website. So just simply click on this one. Okay, now the next thing that you should do is to click on this the products. Okay, so shop all products right here. Okay, that's right. And then what we're going to do is we just have to look for the Autodesk documents. Okay, so here just have to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and then if you cannot find the product right here, just have to click on the show more option. That's right. Okay, so let me just look for the Autodesk documents. So here is the product. What you're going to do now is to select monthly or a year or 3 years, and then just have to add this to your cart or click on to see the details. So here I'm going to discuss to you the things that you should know if you want to buy this product because it costs a lot. Okay, so for the annual fee, we have $540. This one billed annually, and for monthly, we have $70. Okay, so just have to add this to your cart. This one right here. You can enjoy a 30-day money-back guarantee. Lock in your price for 3 years. You can buy with flexibility and security, and see more reasons to buy with Autodesk. Here is the overview of the product. So what is Autodesk Document? So the Autodesk Document is a cloud-based document and data management solution within Autodesk Construction Cloud. As your common data environment, Docs empowers teams to access the latest project information to keep work moving efficiently, streamline and automate document reviews to minimize errors and rework, enhance collaboration and team alignment for improved accuracy and productivity. So here we can see all of the system requirements first. So for the system requirement, as you can see, now for the important note, 64-bit browsers are recommended for optimal viewing experience. Now the latest versions of the following browsers are recommended: so Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. So for the note again, Internet Explorer 11 is not supported for use with Autodesk Construction Cloud products. And we have the operating systems, the data storage regions, and then the cloud or sharing. For the operating system, there are no desktop operating system requirements for ACC products since they are web-based. Now for the data storage region, so when you're activating your account, you can select the data storage region which applies to that account. Okay, so for the disk space, Vivid Cloud or sharing requires 3 times the total disk space consumed by requirement RVT files for other cloud or shared projects. Here we have the connectivity. So internet connection able to deliver symmetrical 5 Mbps connection for each machine or burst transfers. And then for the value, internet connection able to deliver symmetrical 10 Mbps connection for each machine or burst transfers. And for performance, internet connection able to deliver symmetrical 25 Mbps connection for each machine to burst transfers. Okay, so that's it for the system requirement. Now let us proceed to see all of the features. So here, the first one is we have here the content catalog. So cloud-based digital asset management solution increases efficiency and productivity for design teams by providing a centralized source of approved digital assets for BMI models. Here for the features of the Autodesk Docs. So we have AEC collaboration made simple. So enhanced 3D issue markups, easily communicate identified issues questions when reviewing 3D models and aggregates. Next, enhance AutoCAD markup import and sync PDF markup files from Autodesk documents directly in AutoCAD with markup import. And then for the design to construction connection, you can connect teams on the Autodesk Construction Cloud platform, allowing easy transfer of information from design to construction. Next, we have the document control. So you can get the right information into the right hands with the structured folders and robust permission tools. Okay. Next is we have the document approvals. Reduce the manual effort and automate the review of drawings, models, and documents before publishing and sharing. Next, we have full set of markup tools. So communicate and collaborate with the project teams using a full set of the markup tools. Okay, next we have centralized issue tracking, so track and resolve issues and increase accountability from a single centralized list. Next is transmittal creation and tracking, so easily create and share transmittals with project teams and track transmittals with a full audit trail. Desktop connector, open, save, move, rename, delete files or directory from your desktop with the desktop. Integration with AutoCAD, Revit, and Civil 3D. So streamline workflows and reduce duplication with the integrated Autodesk tools such as AutoCAD, Revit, and Civil 3D. Next, 2D and 3D support. Seamlessly upload and view 2D drawings and 3D models so teams have the right information. Next, we have the bridge. So share data across accounts like from a general contractor to subcontractor, enhance cross-team collaboration, reduce rework, and improve control and ownership of the project information. Now, the common administration experience, so manage users, permission control, templates, and other project setup tools from a centralized location. Mobile access for the field, so keep the office field connected with the access to the Autodesk Build Plan Grid mobile app. And integration with Building Connected, so maintain a centralized source of truth between Building Connected and Autodesk documents with a two-way file sync. Okay, so that's for the features. Now for the system requirement again. This is the system requirement. So the Autodesk Documents, being cloud-based, offers centralized and secure platforms for managing construction documents. One major advantage is that it ensures real-time collaboration and version control among teams. So whether they're on-site or remote, everyone can access the latest plans, drawings, and files from any device, which helps prevent mistakes due to the outdated information. And this also significantly reduces the back and forth of emails and manual file transfers, saving time and increasing productivity across projects. And another key benefit is its seamless integration with other Autodesk tools like Revit, AutoCAD, and BIM 360. This allows for smoother workflows, better coordination between design and field teams, and easier tracking of project changes. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.